Everywhere I go, it's AI this, AI that, AI whatever. How do I get rid of it? Well, you don't. You accept it, you adapt to it, and you try to make money with it. And in this video, you're in the perfect place for that. I'm gonna teach you how to make AI videos, cartoons, and even movies with consistent characters throughout the whole video using only AI. We're gonna use ChatGPT for basic stuff, and we're gonna use the program that I'll tell you about in a second for more complex things. Let's get right to it.
So for generating AI cartoons, first we need a prompt for our image shots. Then we're going to use those image shots to make videos. So let's jump straight to ChatGPT and start working.
Once we open ChatGPT, we are going to ask it to write a script for a story.
For example, I will ask it to write me a cartoon-themed one. Now we will ask it to give us image prompts for every single one of the scenes. I'm going to use Image Studio, so I will ask it to optimize it for that. Now that we generated prompts, we need to put them into an image generator. I'm going to use Image Studio, but you can use any that you prefer.
Link for it is in the description. So we make an account and we go back to ChatGPT.
Here we copy the prompts we generated and move back to Image Generator. We press the text to image. First, we have to choose the ratio. For a YouTube video, I am going to pick 16:9. Then, we go ahead and paste the prompt we generated into this box and press generate. Now we do that for all the prompts in ChatGPT.
We're a bit behind the schedule.
You can generate videos in 3 different ways, from a text, from an image, and a video. We don't have a video yet, so text to video is nice for generating quick B-rolls for your video, but it's hard to predict the results if you're looking for consistent style and characters. So our plan is to create videos using images that we have. We go to Kling.ai. I'll leave the link in description and sign up for a free account. Once we've done that, we press on Video Generator and insert the image we have into the box. We write a prompt of what we want the image to do. For example, character is sailing in the storm, and press a generate. Now, if we want our characters to talk, we are going to need 11 Labs. It's an app that allows you to turn any script of text into a speech. Once we are on 11 Labs, we create a free account and press on Voices section. Here's a library of free voices we can use, so find one you like.
Hi, my name is Isabel. This is my clear, soft-spoken, and direct voice.
By the way, a pro tip. If you want, you can even clone your own voice in 11 Labs, or write a prompt for a custom imaginary voice and it creates it for you. It's really cool. You can have your voice speak English, parler français, or parlo italiano. Okay, so I found my voice. Now I have to press add button. Then we go to the text to speech section and paste the script ChatGPT gave us. We press generate and wait for magic to happen.
Stone that will save our lives and nature.
We go back to our video generator and we first put the image that we want to talk into the box. We write a prompt to make her talk or do certain hand movement. Don't worry, this is not the secret yet. The secret that I worked on for the past month is finding an app that would allow us to make the character say the exact words we want it to say. It was really hard finding the program, and I had to go on the Mountain of Murder, you know, from Hobbit, and ask them for the permission to use the app. Sadly, the goblins ran at me with spears, and I had to escape.
So, what I did next was shocking. I walked and walked for days before I found a weird guy behind a corner.
He looked at me and waved.
Hello. It seems like you are looking for a program with AI lip sync. I can teach you my ways. I can teach you the ancient AI ways to do this magic, but it will cost you everything. You will never be forgotten.
It got me thinking, would I risk my life for you guys? And I said to myself, if not now, when? So I took the deal. I took the disc he gave me and went home.
I was thinking, should I put the disc in my TV or not? I didn't know what to do. And it turns out, everything was for nothing. Because the real answer was in front of our eyes the whole time.
So let's go back to the app we used.
And once we have the video, I will show you the secret. You see that little icon called lip sync? Press on it. Now, let's take the speech we just generated and take it into our mouth. The website even has a text-to-speech option, so you don't need 11 labs. But I like 11 Labs since there are more options for voices. We press local dubbing and drop our speech in it. Press generate and we're done.
This is the heartstone that will save our lives and nature.
Now, before we start making money with those videos, we always have to edit them to look better and more interesting. However, with making money using AI videos, there's always some obstacles we have to face. TikTok only monetizes accounts with 10,000 followers that are located in a few selected countries, and YouTube requires 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views in the last 90 days. Meeting these requirements when you're just starting out can be a real headache and you have to work for free. But I've done some research and came across this website that makes pre-monetized accounts for both TikTok and YouTube so that you can make money right away from your first post. So, if you want to speed up the process and skip the stress of meeting these crazy requirements, I'll leave the link to this website in the description. Anyway, now that we got that out of the way, let's get to actually editing the video.
Are you serious? You are actually planning to post this? At least add some music and sound effects to make it interesting.
That is actually a good idea, but where do I get the music?
You have too many questions for such a little guy. Go do some research. Or else.
Okay, so no help from this weirdo. I was researching for months to find a website that would give us monetizable music and sound effects. And after a while, I finally found one. It's called Pixabay. It has everything from videos, all genres of music and sound effects. And the best thing, it's completely free. So what we do is we go to Pixabay and press music. I will search for a children's story one, so it fits my video, and look for the one I like. Then we download the music and save it for later.
You see, you did not need to ask so many questions. Run now.
Okay, so let's get away from this guy as soon as possible and start editing our video. In this video, I won't go into details of how to edit. I'll just tell you shortly what I do and what works.
Editing AI videos usually isn't really hard since the visuals are already really good. Just make sure to add the right sounds in your video editor app. Oh, I forgot. I have to tell you about the editing apps, right? So for editing, I would use the free app called CapCut. It's really simple and it allows you to create very good edits with small amount of work since it's AI powered.
Now let's get to the good part, money.
As I said in the beginning of the video, we aren't just creating some random social media channels. We want to create a profitable, monetizable business. So that takes us to the next step of our AI process, monetization. Everyone thinks that the only way to make money from YouTube is through views, and that is not true at all.
This monetization app makes everyone make millions of dollars, and I've never heard anyone talk about it here on YouTube. So guys, please, if you like when I provide value, like my video and comment on what you want me to do next, it really helps a lot. Consider it a pay for my free courses.
And if you're new to this channel, you better subscribe for your own sake.
So you've probably heard about affiliate marketing. It's a business model where you promote somebody else's product with a link, and every time someone makes a purchase, you get paid. What I'm going to show you is not some average affiliate marketing of trying to sell some cringe yoga pants from Amazon.
There's this new website called Glitchy that has tons of these offers that are designed to be promoted with AI content.
The reason they convert so well is because they don't require the viewer to actually purchase anything. All of the offers are usually made in a way that a user can get free money if they just complete a bunch of steps, answer surveys and things like that.
Also,
if you're interested in making even more money online, you can even join my completely free private group on Wob, where I talk about TikTok, YouTube and dropshipping. I will paste the link in description. Anyway, let's go to the final secret of our AI video making. Now, even if you are an expert, those videos are everywhere and they're too saturated so it won't get much views. Is making stories and videos like that even a good idea?
honestly, probably not.
So, was it all for nothing?
Bro, did you even watch the video?